Open Google homepage. Type elai. Click on the first link elai.io. Select Try elai for free. Now create an account by entering your name, email ID and password. Accept terms and conditions, then click on Create Account. Now check your email inbox. Open the mail you received from elai. Click on the Verify your email. Now click on Create. Now you will see Generate videos using GPT-3. Type the topic you want your video to be about on white box. Video generation is in progress. Wait for some time. Now you will see the stuff of your content. Templates, avatar, text, images, videos. You can check it one by one slide. You may change the voice of particular country. Click on the text you want to edit. Change the font size, font of text, capacity, etc. Right side search bar, you can search which images you want or videos. Now you select the image or video and apply as a background. If you don't like it, enter Ctrl+Z, make it your wish. After completing all slides, then you click on Render on top of the window. The video will automatically generated and it will send to your mail. Check your mailbox, open the video and download the video. Enjoy with AI. In the world of technology, artificial intelligence has become increasingly central. In this video series, we will explore the history, principles, applications, and potential future of AI. We will look to answer the questions: what is AI? What are the potential applications of AI? What are the potential pros and cons? And where is AI headed in the future?